everyone, Andarki Namaskaram, Shobaike Namaskar. Welcome back to our channel HandsOnNuggets. Previously we reviewed Kartikeya Indian grocery store in Sunnyvale, and today we are going to Madras Groceries and show you all how this store looks like and what to expect from this store. Let's get into the video. Once we enter, I could feel the store is really packed up with a lot of varieties. So let's get into every segment and show you guys in detail what all items that Madras has. As you can see, there are a lot of organic powders as well, like neem powder, tulsi powder, so which I haven't seen in Kartikeya. I think this is a good option to add. And Madras Groceries, compared to Kartikeya, has a lot of variety rice items, from basmati rice to idli rice. In South especially, we use idli rice to make dosa batters, so I was happy to see that, even though there is idli rice in Kartikeya, but I feel here you have a lot of brands and different varieties of rice items, so it has huge collections here. And there is also a very good amount of coffee and tea collections in Madras Groceries. I think that there is huge collections in terms of different brands that we usually get in India, not just from Darjeeling tea to lemongrass tea. So there is huge varieties, which is and even Bagh Bakri. I didn't even see this in Kartikeya, Red Label, Three Roses, and there is so many, and Gemini, which I think it's a very old brand in India. I'm very happy to see that it's still available in US. And again, a lot of whole spices that you can all see, and there's basin and all types of lentils that we use. So you can see different brands that we usually get, I think organic in Big Basket, so we can get that brand here as well. So a lot of varieties of pulses and spices are here, and which is a very good option. So we were running out of lentils, so we took a couple of them from here. And finally, very happy to see ragi flour, which is very healthy. Back in India, we used to have that, at least my mom used to prepare. And here you are in the snack section. So here also there are different varieties of snack sections, which is mostly not repetitive to Kartikeya. So I think it depends on everyone's preference. Whichever brand you like, whichever snack item you like, you can pick from either of the store, I guess, because there is few very less similarities, so that you get different varieties whenever you visit each of the stores. So we are in the vegetable section now, and I didn't seem to find a huge price difference compared to both the stores. It's quite similar and quite same varieties of vegetables here as well. So now that we have been to 3 different Indian grocery stores, my first choice is going to be Madras Groceries moving forward, just because the way they have segregated is so different and nice to look around, and at the same time they have huge stock collections for every item that is listed. So you don't have to worry that any item would go out of stock, so you can always go and grab it, and I feel they stock up very regularly here. So in the end, we will also add our purchase bill. I hope that helps you all to compare the prices between all these 3 different stores. And next time we will also review Madras restaurant and what are the food items that are usually available and what is the price looks like there as well. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching.